Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to remove space between two paragraphs in Affinity Publisher. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Affinity Publisher document and take some pages and a paragraph. Now we can see there are many space to this paragraph between. Now we want to remove this space. Click inside the text box, then select the last two lines of these two paragraphs. Then go to the window menu and go to the text option and check mark on the character, otherwise you can press Ctrl T on our keyboard and we can see here open the paragraphs option. Then we select the space after paragraph and decrease this. Now we can see we remove the space to this two paragraph very easily. You can increase this and decrease this. Now we can see we reduce or remove the space between two paragraphs very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.